Hello, today is July 30th, 2016. Let's go over our calls. We had a MEJT target of 2165.33. The target was hit, and as usual, there was support under the target. During the day, MEJT said ultimately higher prices would print. They did, but it says the rally was a false move and that prices should retrace to 2164.99, most likely by early Tuesday. In the afternoon, it said higher prices would print, but the move would be a weak one. The target was hit. We didn't go too much beyond that, so that one worked. This is a pattern which tends to close near the high of the day, and when you rally all day long, hit a new all-time high and can't close over the middle of the day high or any of these highs, it usually leads to a weak follow-through unless it's invalidated by promptly trading over this high Monday, ideally by gapping over it. So MEJT is saying that probably won't happen, but even if it does, we should retrace to 2164.99, which is the call. Let's go over the longer time calls, longer term calls. We've had a long-standing target for a few weeks for number 13 printing on July 29th, and that's what happened. And we had a price target of 2177 to 2179. The high was 2177.09. So for now anyway, that is working. What is the case for the high here? Let's review a few of the things we've gone over. Here's your triangle in blue. It's defined recent lows. If you set that height to 100%, you'll see at the Fibonacci price targets of 88.66%, 161.8%, and 200%, it pretty much called the lows. If you now turn this around and set it to 100% and look up at 127.2%, we have 2178.83, which is awfully close to this high. From this low to this low is 170 days. From this low to yesterday is 169. Today is 170. So we have the price, we have the time. And if this wave count is right, we have the wave count too. Here's your A, here's your B. The question is this 5 waves up? Is that enough for blue wave E, which would complete the pattern and lead to a large gray C move down? Well, that one's not as clear as some of the other things. Here's your C. I've moved the D over to here. The question is this an ending diagonal triangle? Is that A, B, C, D, E, and the move's over? I suppose it could be, even though it's not the clearest one I've ever seen. So Monday we should have some interesting trade. We have a price target of 2164.99, most likely by early Tuesday, but we've been calling for this price or close to this high price to hold on the date at which it was hit, and we're going to find out pretty soon if that call's right, and if it is right, and so far it's worked, we're in for a pretty big drop that should take us down into the 1800s, and that's today's call.